All right, for the last couple nights, we've had this sweet spot at the Dry Lake Campground. And today I'm gonna do a ride from here. Here's the entrance to the campground. Across the street is the parking for the trailhead and the trailhead we took last time. This time, I'm gonna ride up the road to get to BTR. It's probably about 2 miles shorter than taking Flash of Gold. I'm gonna kind of do it like ripping off the Band-Aid. Right here, I just did the first switchback. We do get an awesome view of the valley. So, a little bit of pain, a little bit of pleasure all at once. And here's how it starts. Oh, here's that. This must be the ridge that this trail is named after. Take this outside easy one. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, I really forgot about how fun this trail is. See who use rocks. Don't fool me. Oh, no, thanks. Looks round and smooth. I'll take the little rock pile. It just keeps going. Oh. Oh, I know I'm supposed to roll that. It's a little wide, I guess. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, really? Oh. Turn left. Oh. Yes, that's what that is. Oh. And here we are, bottom of BTR. Also where the little tail end of Fiddleheads merges in right there. And we're gonna take our second left for Spring Roll. Not here, but here. So if I can catch some of this cool armoring on these last couple little sections. There's a good chunk of armor. Stayed left on the little single tracks and came up behind the sign this time. If you found this video helpful or fun, subscribe and like. Tell your friends. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. And have a good ride.